I'm daughter of Keshav. My native place is Marigoda. Today I learned more that first of all I had an idea to save people, but now I got how the way to save the people and learn the moral values of life and how to live with others and how to love others and how to express our feelings and thoughts.
తెలుగులో
This is-
చెప్పు.
నేను నా గురించి నేర్చుకున్నది కాకుండా వేరే వాళ్ళ మిస్టేక్స్ వాళ్ళు నన్ను ఎంత బాగా చూసుకున్నారో వాళ్ళకి నేను చాలా రుణపడాలి. మా డాడీ మా మమ్మీ ఎంతో ప్రేమగా చూసుకుంటారు నన్ను. నేను వాళ్ళకి జీవితాంతం సేవ చేయాలి. ఐ రియలీ ప్రౌడ్ ఆఫ్ మై బ్రదర్స్ ఆల్సో. ఐ హ్యావ్ 2 brothers. I wanna say they are the building blocks of my life. They inspire us. Me, I love my family. That's all.
Is that the learning? If you love your family, is that enough?
No, sir. I love these many peoples and also society, and I wanna love the poorest of the poor, and also save the people from their
Difficulties.
their difficulties.
So is that right?
This makes
Confirmed?
my life satisfaction.
Confirmed?
Yes, sir.
But how come you did not tell this? You said, I love my family, that's it. How did you stop there?
My family is this whole country.
You told 2 brothers, building blocks, and my daddy, my mummy, I am loving my family, that's it. Now you cannot plate firaimpo. So, learn to love the people, love the country. If you start loving your country, they are your father, mother, brothers already included in the country. If you love your own family, country is excluded. If you love your country, family included. So our love should be inclusive love, not exclusive love. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
My name is Vaishnavi. My father name is Satyanarayana. My native place is Miryalaguda. Today I learned many moral values from you, sir. Thank you for giving your valuable time for us. And I want to say one thing. When a person is in need of help, if we leave them, then at any time we may in need of help. Then we can't get any help from others because we didn't do any help to others. It is important. We should do help to others where there is need of help for anyone. We should love our nation and sacrifice our lives to nation. It is very important. If many freedom fighters have sacrificed their lives to nation. If they did not do that, we may not get independence now. We may not lead our life such a simple life and enjoyable. We may in the hands of British. We have
No, having got the freedom from the Britishers, are we enjoying the freedom with the true spirit of life?
yes, sir, but somewhere we had more trouble is there, but somewhere.
Are you happy? Are you living that life?
No, sir, but because there are many poor and who are in need in life, help in their life. So all should realize this and should help for others. Not, I'm saying that not to help all, but to some extent with your energy.
Thank you.